Get ready to unlock the secrets of decision making and make smarter choices in your life with these mind-blowing psychological insights. Fact 1. The paradox of choice. Did you know that having too many options can actually make us more unhappy with our decisions? It's called the paradox of choice. When we're presented with an overwhelming number of options, we often feel anxious and find it harder to make a decision. So remember, sometimes less is more. Fact 2. Decision fatigue. Ever wondered why it's harder to make decisions at the end of a long day? It's because of decision fatigue. Throughout the day, as we make more choices, our mental energy gets depleted, making it more difficult to make thoughtful decisions. That's why even simple choices, like what to have for dinner, can feel exhausting by the end of the day. And that's why you should try to convince people at the end of the day. The chances are, they will oftenly agree with your decisions. A clever psychological trick. Fact 3. The power of defaults. Did you know that default options have a significant impact on our decision making? Studies have shown that people tend to stick with the default option because it requires less effort and cognitive load. For example, when you buy a new smartphone, the default ringtone and wallpaper are already set. Many people simply keep them as they are without changing them. Fact 4. Social proof. Humans are social creatures, and we often look to others for guidance in decision making. That's where social proof comes in. When we see others making a particular choice, we're more likely to follow suit. It is why testimonials, customer reviews, and even the number of likes on a YouTube video can heavily influence our decisions, that whether to buy a product or course or not, or to watch a video or not. Fact 5. Anchoring bias. Prepare to be amazed by the anchoring bias. This bias occurs when we rely too heavily on the first piece of information we receive while making a decision. For example, when you see a shirt originally priced at $100 on sale for $50, you might perceive it as a great deal, even if it's not. Anchoring biases can trick us into making irrational choices. Fact 6. Emotions and decisions. Our emotions play a significant role in decision making. Research shows that our emotional state at the time of making a choice can heavily influence the outcome. So, whether we're happy, sad, or angry, our emotions can lead us down unexpected paths when it comes to decision making. Fact 7. Analysis paralysis. Have you ever found yourself endlessly analyzing pros and cons, unable to make a decision? That's analysis paralysis. Overthinking and overanalyzing can lead to a fear of making the wrong choice, causing us to procrastinate or even avoid decisions altogether. Remember, sometimes it's better to trust your instincts and take action. Alright guys, this was the video, and I hope it will help you in your decision-making process at many aspects of your life. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Till then, you can watch this video right here that can help you to make someone fall in love with you. See you there.